The VTVE requires daily maintenance as specified in this video to maximise its life and avoid damage. If problems occur with your machine, undertake the basic troubleshooting checks explained in this video before contacting your service agent for further assistance. Where indicated, please ensure you unplug the machine before carrying out any maintenance. After every use, switch off and unplug the machine. Wrap the cord around the top cover, checking for any wear or damage. Fix the plug to the cord using the cord storage clip. Pull the two latches on either side of the machine and lift off the top cover. Turn the top cover over to check the motor inlet filter. Untwist and remove to check both sides. Remove any debris or replace the entire filter periodically. Replace and lock into position, ensuring the lugs are in the correct position and lined up. Remove the cloth filter bag and check for any debris and wear and tear. Shake off the debris or replace if required. Check if the dust bag is full and replace if required. To replace the dust bag, simply slide the bag off the hose inlet nozzle and close the green bag collar to contain the dust and debris. When replacing the dust bag, ensure the rubber lip of the bag is pushed over the lip of the hose inlet nozzle. Replace the cloth filter bag. Replace the top cover, ensuring the on-off button is located above the hose inlet nozzle and that the supply cord is at the back of the machine, and secure the latches on both sides of the machine. Check the crevice, dusting brush and floor tools for any debris, blockages or signs of damage before replacing onto the tool storage areas of the machine. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only.